From milk to magic gold, let's see how ice cream is made.
Fresh milk comes first, that is very creamy and pure.
Sugar, cream, and yummy flavors mixed together.
The mix is gently heated to keep it safe and smooth.
Now it's cooled and frozen into creamy ice cream. Now it's cooled and frozen into creamy ice cream.
Choco chips, fruits, and nuts jump in to make ice cream more delicious.
Shaped into cones, cups, and bars. Shaped into cones, cups, and bars.
Now ice cream is packed and ready to reach you. And that's how your favorite ice cream is made. Like, share, and follow for Sweet Factory secrets.